guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you guys are joining me today because I have missed you so very much. If you watched my most recent video, you know that I am currently in school for aesthetics, so that has kind of kept me busy, and so I haven't really had the time that I want to be able to film and edit like I'm used to. To be honest, I am horrible with time management. We're speaking past tense because I'm speaking into existence that I'm going to be better with time management so that I can fit all the things in together that I need to do. School and YouTube and everything is going to be able to flow together. In Jesus' name, we're speaking that into existence. I hope that you guys can hear me because I have my camera a little bit further from me than what I'm used to, because I want you guys to kind of see everything that's going on here. Once I show you guys the package, you'll understand why I have all of this mess in front of me. So let's jump right into the video. Today I am going to be opening a package with you guys. You know, I like to include on my little packaging opening. So I had a company by the name of Excursionistas. You guys can see that. Send me a package. I am assuming that they may have watched some of my travel videos, and they sent me a set of 8 travel bags, and what their slogan is pack less, travel more. So I'm gonna open these bags with you guys, and we're gonna see exactly what they are and how they work. See if they're worth the buy. Okay. So these are the first bags. I'm assuming that these are the small ones. I love their little pictures. So you get 2 of the smaller bags. This is the size up from that. Those pictures are so cute. There's another one like that. And another one. And another one. And then we have a little postcard here that they sent me. If you guys can see, it says, "Wish you were here. Pack less, travel more, Excursionista." It says, "Hey girl, thanks for packing with us. I hope these help you pack lighter and travel more. If you find them useful, please scan the QR code and share your feedback. Enjoy your trip. You deserve it. Excursionista." And so it shows you the steps and the pictures of how to use the bag. So basically what it's supposed to be like, it's supposed to be like a big Ziploc bag for your clothes. You put your clothes in the bag, you zip the bag up, and then you're supposed to press and roll the air out of the bag so that you can pack more clothes, because it eliminates some of the space. So that's the little postcard there. And then we got a little drawstring bag. That's cute too. It has their logo, Excursionista. These are huge. These are the super big bags. Another little lady. She's cute. I don't know if you guys can see that. She's cute. And you get 2 of the super huge bags. So you get 8 travel bags total. So you get 2 small ones, 4 medium ones, and 2 super big ones. I don't know if I'm going to use the super big ones. Now I'll tell you why I have all this stuff over here. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably know that last month me and Demont went to Disney World. I'll put a little picture right here. We went to Disney World for an early anniversary trip. We are almost to 5 years of marriage this year. I did not vlog any of that. I kind of wanted to put all my attention, towards the trip since it was an anniversary trip. But I will be posting our pictures from that trip very soon. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I will leave a link down in the description box below. Said all of that to say, when we travel, we don't really care how we get there. We want to make that the most inexpensive part so that we can kind of splurge once we get there. If there was a boat that took you to Florida for $20 and a penny, and just dropped you off in the middle of the ocean and then we had to swim the rest, we would take that because we're just trying to get there. We don't really care how we get there. So we do travel usually with Allegiant, but with Allegiant, because the flights are so cheap, you have to pay for everything else separately. We don't even bother paying for any extra baggage. We just take our book bag, that's free, that's included in the flight, and then we just pack as much as we can into our book bags. This is about everything that I took with me to Florida, plus a couple of extras of what I actually wanted to take with me, but I had to leave behind. We're gonna put this stuff in my book bag without the travel bags and see what room we have, what wiggle room we have, and then we're going to use the travel bags and see if they really make a difference. This is the book bag that I took, that I also multitask and use it as a school book bag. So I had about 4 or 5 outfits. Then, my swimsuit, my cover up. I brought this bag with me. So right now, my bag is already full. When I tell y'all, I had this bag busting out the seams because I had these green shoes in here and these ones. Okay. So I got it in there, and then I also took my laptop with me. There's a little laptop spot, but you see, you can't see. You see how the book bag is so full that you can't really fit. Oh gosh, we gotta fit the towel in there. Hold on, y'all. My table, I don't know if it's something loose or it needs oil. Okay, so we got that in there. My goal is to try to get my son hat to fit in there and another pair of shoes. We're gonna take all this stuff out. As y'all can see, it's literally packed to capacity. When I tell y'all my back was on the ground. But you do anything to save a few pennies. Yes. Let's try this small bag. Honestly, you can close this. Yeah, you can close this without that little clippy thing. Okay, we're gonna throw everything we can in here. Okay, Halloween's over. I think these bags might be too small, so the other bag. Let's try this one first. I'm creating more space or clip that one to the top. that one pretty compact. I think what they're supposed to be is flat, like that, instead of all bunched up like that. Now this is a workout. So flat like that. Okay, I'm sweating, y'all, and this book bag is busting out the seams, which is just how I like it. I have my sun hat in there now. I have all 3 pairs of shoes in there. I have my beach towel in there, my charger, my makeup bag, everything. We're not missing anything. Everything is in here. My back might fall off at the airport, but that's not the point. I think we came up. I think it's a nice buy. Like I said, I think it will really protect your clothes. It's like an extra sense of security because you have that plastic over your clothes. It does really shrink the clothes down. If you're not trying to be cheap like me, it'll probably provide a whole bunch of extra space in an actual suitcase. All right, let's put this baby over there. Alright, so that pretty much sums up this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button right down there. Oh yeah, and if you are interested in purchasing any of these lovely bags here, I will leave the link to the site down in the description box below, and also a coupon code for a little extra savings. Girl, you get 25% off with my coupon code, and I will leave that down in the description box as well, and I'll put it right here. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.